Motel 1 is a low-budget chain of hotels headquartered in Munich, Germany, and operates in 11 different European countries and has one upscale location in New York City under the name The Cloud 1. Today we will check out the location near the airport in Hamburg, Germany. Follow along. Welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. If you're new here, I offer travel advice. I'm a solo traveler and I do vlogs to help you travel better and more efficiently. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. and today I'm in Hamburg, Germany, right near Hamburg's airport, and I'm going to take you on a hotel review of the Motel 1 Hamburg Airport. You'll see this is a really nice hotel for the price. I paid around 95 US dollars a night, but the hotel prices I would say average between about 112 and 122 a night, and it can range all the way up close to 200 at a busy time, or it can go all the way down to about $90 a night. But either way, it's a good value, and you can see there's a restaurant in here. Plenty of options in terms of food and drink at the restaurant. Now, this hotel is also convenient if you're coming in from the Hamburg airport. I use Google Maps to search how to get here from the airport because there's no shuttle like the U.S. hotels. However, though, even though it says a 15-minute walk, I don't recommend doing the walk. I recommend you catching the bus. You can catch the bus for very cheap, and it'll take you right over here. Then a very short walk from the hotel. So I definitely recommend catching the bus. It might get a little confusing to you. It's showing the 392, but just follow the instructions. You can get your ticket right outside of the bus and pay for it, so it's right there. And then all you got to do is wait for your bus to get there. If you're having trouble figuring out which direction, ask a bus driver. But like I said, Google Maps will tell you all the information. But again, this is a really nice hotel for the price, I would say. Definitely has the feel of a more expensive hotel for sure. I'm going to take y'all up the elevator to the room. We'll check out the room together as I walk down the hall right here. Room 470. I love the turquoise, I guess you would say, color of the key. Let's go in and check it out. All right, so that's probably two beds pushed together. Usually that's a thing that you find here in Europe. It could be one bed. I'll find out in just a second. Pretty sure it's two beds pushed together. Okay, you got plenty of storage space here. You got two lights right here, which is interesting, on each side. Plus you got the two lights up here, so you got plenty of light. We'll see if this bed is actually two beds pushed together or if it's just one. It is indeed. From my feel, it's two beds pushed together. Got a little area right here where you can sit and relax. Another area with a table for your laptop. Got a couple magazines you can read here. Design magazine. Let's see what the view looks like from the outside. Not a whole lot of a view. You can open the window, and the B&B hotel next door, which is also kind of a budget airport type hotel, stayed in one in Schweinfurt. Really cool. You got some plugs right there. Of course, those for the European plugs. Make sure you bring European plugs if you're not from Europe. TV's on the wall right here. Let's go check out the bathroom. Okay, you got more shelf space right there. A few hangers, hang up your suit or something, or your jacket. Another plug in. I'm not sure if this is really an AC or not because they don't seem to love AC in Europe. So I don't know. Maybe it is. It would be cool if it's an AC. I don't know. See what the bathroom looks like. It's an adjustable head shower. You watch enough of my videos when I talk about rooms. I prefer adjustable head showers, so I'm happy about that. And you got hair and body wash right here on the wall. You got your towels, stand-up shower. I like the glass, but I prefer the glass to be all the way through so you don't make too much of a mess on the floor. Of course, European toilets, they don't use a lot of water, so the flat back. You got some napkins, toilet tissue, in case you make a mess. right there. You got your trash can, your blow dryer, sink right here. For my ladies who want to look at themselves, I prefer not to look at myself, just kidding. Got a bowl sink, which is cool. Hand wash right here. Under you got more towels. You got, it's like some coffee cups. I didn't see a coffee maker, but we'll see if there's one in here. So from looking around, I'm fairly confident there's no coffee maker. There's definitely no refrigerator or anything like that. So that's a disappointment to me. I always like to have a refrigerator, especially go to the store and you get some cold beverages, whether that be water, beer, energy drinks, sodas, whatever. You want to put them in the refrigerator and keep them cold. That's not in this room, and then there's no microwave to heat anything up as well. But so far, the property is pretty nice, though. I like it so far. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more videos coming out. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace and travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Leave any comments below. I love to interact. And if you would like to help the channel continue to grow, please consider hitting the join button and becoming a member of the Peace Corps and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.